What's up? My name is Ryan from 8 Star Productions, if you haven't realized that by now. Fluffy is filming. And we just found this amazing concoction that we can do with our fingers. You take gasoline and this flavored concoction that I made, which I won't tell you the ingredients, but watch this. You ready? See that? Look over there. I made a few of those holes. Okay, what's up? Here's another example of the amazement. What's up? Make sure you subscribe, favorite, like, comment, video response, and all that. Keep it sweet, bro homes.